change to be. Okay, so now you're getting my voice, right? Okay, fine. So the last session we have learned about some of the array methods. Okay, so these are all the array methods we have seen. What are all the methods? The length, the add position, and if you want to join method, if you want to add or join something, double hyphen or forward slash, pop means remove, push means add. So pop and push, so it is a um, end of the array. It is going to be perform a operation, and the shift and unshift method, it is to perform a start of the array. The next is what students have to. So if you want to add a element to the specific index, so you are going with the array name with the index, so that is the value. So this is how, and the concatenation we have done. Okay, so what we can say, uh, these are all the array methods. Okay, so we are going with the some of the methods, not all. Okay, so mainly, if you know well means, so this more enough. The next is it will come the uh, like search related. If you want to search a element, means there is a search array means, so then you have some methods here. So just we already run. So we already see, but specifically we are going to be learn one more time what are all the index search. So whether it is a starting or index or middle, so that is we are going to be learn here. So index 9.html and the document control s h2 the okay, what I will do, the array search methods. Okay, so what is an array? Array is a to store a more than one value. We are going to use a arrays. Okay, so now I want to create a one array. What is the array name? Array name should be fruits or something like that. Bracket. So I want to add a mango, apple, and kiwi. Mango, apple, kiwi. Then what it is? So oh, I think sorry, I didn't share the screen. Nobody told. Okay, so this is my array. Okay, so kiwi fruit, then so grapes. Okay, so we already seen the index of method. Okay, so fruits dot index of apple. So what it will return? So it will go for the fruits array, then find the index of apple. What is the index? So this is a 0, this is the 1. So if you want to store a value, so variable x equals to. So now x is containing the index of apple. So now I want to put this one document dot write of the index of an array plus, sorry, where it is storing, it is storing inside a x. How? The fruits is an array, index of is an inbuilt method of a array, and find a apple. So now I want to see this one, right click, open with the live server. Okay, so this is how uh, one mix. So this is a it is adding at location 0. This is the 1. So now the fruits of index of see fruits index of apple means it is going to be the that is the value 1. So this is what it is printing here. So if you just made a grapes here, so it is going to be show the grapes here 3. Total element is 1, 2, 3, 4, but 0, 1, 2, 3 is the index. Okay, so this is how it is going to be printed. So that is called the index of. So then, if you want to find a see search related, if you just see here the last index of apple. So index of this one, the last index of apple. So again, it is a okay. So here what happens? So just I will remove this one. Index means so last index of here uh, 0, 1, 2, 3. I will just use a KB control S. See array 2 0 1. Okay, so here what happens? Only difference is the last index of and the index of same, but returns the position of the last occurrence of the specified element. Okay, you no need to worry. So just under index of you are rarely ever using. Uh, there is a one more. The methods will come like that. Okay, search method will come, and includes method will come. These are all the very important. Array include method is very important because whenever you're finding some document and all, you are going to be get. So what is this one? So let x1 equals to fruits dot includes. Includes is the method. It is going to be find the something grapes. So what it will returns? So it will returns a boolean, not a value. So if you want to print a document dot write, or else I just copy this one, Control V. So just I will make a x1. Now it is going to be written a true. See here. So it is showing in the same line. I want to break the line. BR tag, save it, run it. The index of array is 2. The index of sorry 2, and the not index the include. Okay, so includes method it is going to be written a true or false. So I will just remove the grape. Here it is a grapes is there, here I have used grape. Now what it is going to show, it is a false because the string I am searching here and the string present here is different, so that's why it is showing the false. So grapes is this one. Okay, so this is called a what we can say includes method. The next is the find method. Okay, so what is the find method? So as the name find method, it is going to be find the specific value. So how to do? So just I will take a constant num equals to, I will take a some random plus 10, 20, 30, 23, 39, something like this. Okay, so these are the random numbers. So what I will do, I'll let x3 equals to num is my array dot find is a method. So but here it is an array is there. Array means what? You have to loop through. So which loop already we have seen? So we have seen the for loop, but we are going to be see the one more loop is called a, we can say for each loop or else a normal function. Let's say my function, I will call one function. Okay, so here in this one function, my function bracket open close brace, so then I will pass a value here, the value, sorry, value of index of array, value comma index comma array. So here what does it mean? So then I want to return the value, return the value is greater than. So what I'm going to find, I want to find the some number. What is the condition? Greater than is condition. What is the exact value? Let's say 23 or else 10. Okay, so now we will understand what it is happening. So this is my number array. So this array containing a numbers. Let x3 equals to num dot find. So num is an array, find is in a method. So my function is a one thing. My function value index array. What is the value means 10 is the value, 30 is the value, 23 is value, 49 is value. These value it is going to be dumped here. So that is the value. Then what is the index? So the array is stored with the index. We know this one. It is 10 at a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what is the array? So num is an array. So once we call the, see first what it will do, it will come and it will read this one. So num array is there, this array containing a 7 to 8 elements. Next, then here it is coming for the num dot find. Okay, num is a array, find is a method, function. What to find? So I have written a function here. I am passing a value index array. What is the value? So this is the array value. What is the index? So this is the array index. What is the array? This is the array name. So here what happens? The first, okay, 10 is there. I will just make a one more value called 30. Okay. So then I want to print the, first we'll print the value, document dot get element by id of a demo dot inner html equals to, what is the return value? That is called x3. Why? Because so here the x3 is returning the value. Save it, or right click, open with the live server. Okay, it is not printing. Control Shift I. So what is the problem? See what is this one? Index 9.html 3149. So documented demo in HTML x3. Okay, where is the demo? So demo attribute I need to mention here. So that is the h1 hash demo. Control S. We'll go to here. See here. See 49 is there. So here what happens here? So it will come for the 30. So after next 30, what is the highest number? 49. If I mention the 10 here, the next highest number is what? 23. Why? What is a mistake? Yeah. So how the calculating biggest number in sense? So it will treat the first number is the lesser one. Second one is what? Uh, it will come for the first 10 value. So the value I am passing is a 10. Is 10 is greater than 10? No. Then it will not execute. Then it will come for the next. Is 30 is greater than 10? Yes. So that's why it is written in the 30. Okay. We'll understand the logic. What is our array? The array is this one. Number is 10, 20. So this is my random numbers. So what I will do, I am taking the num as an array, find is in a method. So what I am doing, inside the num array, I want to find the number. What number, whether it is a greater or equals to, less than, not equals to, or greater than two specific numbers. So that condition I want to write in the my function. So here the find method, it is calling the one more function that is called a my function. So my function is containing a value, index, array. What is the value? So the value, these are all the values. What is the index? So this is the stored index values. And what is the array? The num is an array. Okay. So now what I want to do? So I want to print the greater than value. So what is the greater than value? So what is the initial first value? So the initial value is what? The initial value is 10. Okay. Why? Because the first value is a 10. So now the this variable stores the 10. So is 10 is greater than 10? No. So then again it will come for the loop. So what is the next value? So 30. So what is the value of now 30? Is 30 is greater than 10? Is 30 is greater than 10? Yes. So this is the greater than 10. Then it will return the value and it is given to the num. Okay. So if I made a 56, okay. So it will come for the value, initial value is 10. So is 10 is greater than 56? No. Then it will come for the second value. Is 30? Is 30 is greater than 56? No. Then it will come for here, third one. Is 23 is greater than 56? No. Then it will come for the fourth element. Then is the 49 is greater than 56? No. It will come here. Is now the value is containing a 56. Is 56 is greater than 56? No. Then it will come here. So it will not return a true because so okay, next it will be 47. Is 47 is greater than 56? Yes. Okay. No, because 47 is lesser than 56. So here next is what? 58 is there. 58 is greater than 56. Yes. Now it will return the value num and it is going to be print here. See, 58 is the higher than 56. So this is the, how the loop will be executed. Okay, so we have so many methods, okay, but I want to take only few methods because which are all the necessary methods we are going to be take here. The next major methods is sorting the arrays. Why we need a sort an array? So if you want to display the, see, If you want to sort the ascending order, descending order, or numeric values or anything, no? So there you are going to be get the ascending and descending order. Just a minute. So ascending and descending order. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to take a, so this is also very important, H2, the array sort method. Save it. Okay. Same array I will take here. Copy. I will take a script tag. Control V. So I want to sort this array. So how to sort? So I will take a let x equals to fruit is my array, then sort. Okay. So what I do? Document dot write off sorted array is x. Mango is there, apple is there, kiwi is there. So how to, I will add a sub break here. Okay, break. Control S, right click, open with the live circle. See, normal array before sorting. I will just copy, Control V. Before sorting the, this is the fruits is an array. Control S will go here. See, before sorting, mango, apple, kiwi, grapes. So this is our array. But here what happens here? Kiwi, mango, apple, grapes. Okay, so here what happening here? The mango, apple, kiwi, grapes is there. It means, so it is a normal, it is displaying. Then here ascending order what happens? So kiwi, mango, apple, grapes. It will read all the four characters and it is going to be printed the value. So here I J K. After K, here it is M is there. Then you might select, so here it is a apple is there means. So here next PP value also matters. P will come for the after the G M N M N O P Q like that. So grapes also it will come last. Okay, so this is called a ascending order. So if you want to specifically, so I will just take a one more num array. You will get to know. Control V. So I want to sort a num array. So now X containing the num array. See 10, 23, 30, 34, 47, 47, 47, 49, 56, 58. So now the 34 is okay. I will print the before us. I will just print the num array. Control S will go to here. What is the our physical array? 10, 30, 23, 49, 56, 47, 34 like that. So here 10, 23, 30, 34, 47, 49, 56, 58. So this is called the ascending order of an array. So I want to reverse this array. Reverse an array. How to do reverse? Let x1 equals to none is our array. Okay. So what is that array? So this is a x is a shorted array x dot reverse. So I will just add a document dot write off the shorted The reversed array is x1. It is a x1. So what is the x value? The x value will be shorted array. Then a shorted array, I want to reverse it. Reverse means x dot reverse means, so it is going to be reverse array 4 into x1. So that x1 is putting here. So we will go here. What is my shorted array? Shorted array is a 10, 23, 30, 34, something like that. So reverse means what? It is 58 into first, 56, 49, 47, 34, 30, 23, 10. Okay, so this is how it will it will works. So reverse means what? It is going to be reverse the array. That's it. Okay. So this is called a reverse an array. Okay. So we will get a number of methods. Okay. So we are not going for all the what you can say uh, array methods. So we are going the some mostly used methods. So I want to generate the random number or a random order. Okay, so array means randomly it is going to be short an array. So we have a already we have a, this array. Okay, so then I will use a num dot sort. Sort is what? So it is going to be sort what you can say ascending order only. But I want to add a one more function here. That function open close brace. Okay, so what we are going to pass here, so I will just return math is the inbuilt function of a JavaScript. So you can give any what you can say math dot random uh, with the multiplication. Okay, so we are using already, so you can use a math dot random star into 10 for every random number, so multiply with the 10. You can give like anything. If I want to do plus, or you can do plus, or else if you want to do minus, let's say 0.5 minus. So for every iteration it is going to be, so let x2 equals to. Okay, so here num is a by this array, sort is method, it is going to be sort ascendingly, but 0.5 math.random it is going to be generated with random integer, so 0.5 minus. Okay, so why we are using 0.5 minus 5 means, so always it is generating a positive number. So positive number is subscribed with the negative means your value will be positive only. That's why 0.5 is used. So just I want to copy, control V, sorting random. Okay, array is x2. Sorry, x2. Control S, right click, open with a live server. Okay, so here what happens? 49 or 53. I will just see here. If you see here, every time there is a array is randomly sorting here. See, just you see here, okay? Just see the last two digit, how it is changing here. If you see the last two digit continuously, randomly it is going to be generate the number. Okay, so this is going to be uh, shorter a method. Okay, so if you know like these many methods means that's more enough. So I think these are all the major array methods. If you know well means that's more enough. Okay, so that is the we have seen the array sorting method. The next is what array iteration. See, sort means what? Whether it is ascending or descending order, or it is going to be sort. The next it will come iteration. What is an iteration? You have a n number of students or n number of data. You want to call one more again and again. That is called an iteration. Okay. So we already seen the some methods, but anyhow we are going to be seeing one more value. What is an iteration? Iteration is keep on adding a value. So I will just take the this num arrays, then let txt equals to empty string. So I will take another one empty variable. So then num dot for each. For each is a JavaScript inbuilt method. So you need to write properly. You cannot make a small e or something. For each bracket my function. Okay. So for each method is calling a my function. The my function is a here function my function. Okay. Bracket open close brace txt equals to, sorry, already we have defined that. Okay, so here it is array is there. This is the temporary variable. For each method, it is going to be iterate for the n number of times. So my function is a my function name, or you can give anything. Okay, x, y, z also it will work. So function name. Then I want to pass the value. What is the value? Value index array. So here that is the text plus equals to. So what is the text? Text is the empty variable. What is the plus? It is going to be concatenated. So now here it is the value is there. So value I will just add a br tag. Okay. So here what happens? Once it will run, it will come for here. Okay, the text is a empty variable. Num is what? It is a array. For each method, it is built for each method. It is going to be added to the every element. Then xyz. XYZ is what? It's method. So here the value. What is the value? 10, 30, 23, 24, 44 is the value. What is the index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Array means what? So this is the array. So now I want to print the value. Okay. The first value is what? 10. And it will come here. Second value 30. It is added here. Next 23, 49, 56, 47, 48, 30, 34 is the last. Once it will read a 34 and it will store here, then it will come, there is a empty value, then it will stop this execution of this loop. Okay, so this will stop the execution. So function xyz value index arrays. So here what I want to do, I want to print a document dot write. So I will add a br tag to break the line. The txt value is, I will add a plus txt control s. If you just go for, see here, 5810, like that. So this is called a for loop. And so why we are using a txt plus equals to, if I remove means what happens, so it will come here, first value is what, 10, so 10 is stored here, then second value 30, so 30 will replace to 10, now the 10 is vanishing, and the third one is 23, so 23 value is stored here, now text already contain a 30, that is vanishing, so it will keep on vanishing and it will print only the 34. Sorry, yeah, it is taking a this array. Okay, because it is going to be sorted number of array. I will just use the control C. I will use the num1, num1, and here I will use the num1. Control S. See here what happens. 34 it is just showing. What is the 34? This is last value. If you reload means still 34. Why? Because so every time the value will come here and it is going to be add and concatenated, but it is not happening. So if you want to happen, add a plus equals to control s. If you just go here, see here 30, 23, 20. This is how it is going to be print the value. Okay, so that is a JavaScript array method, for each method. Okay, so I think this is more enough for like array method. You have so many other methods as well, but that is not necessary. So I mean to say, if you want, you can just go for the official methods of official site of array methods in Mozilla. So you will get a, if you want to read a, see here, array forms, and you will see the output as well. Okay, and is an array, true or false, what is an array, what is a not array, so everything they have discussed here. So if you want to do complete understanding of arrays, these are all the methods are there, so you have to go through it. Okay, so this is called the array methods. Okay, so I think we got to know what is an array. So array is what? So to store the a similar set of data, not a similar set as well. It is not a mandatory to similar set of data. It is to display the date, uh, data with the multiple values. So now it contains the, like for one example, if you just go for the cricketers, so IPL scoreboard, as I told, it will contain the key pay values. IPL scoreboard. So this values is there, no? So this is the value that is going to be stored the in the array only, because it is going to be display a number. You can store by variable also, but you have to mention the 10 unnecessarily variable name. Instead of that, you just use a one cricket variable name and you can store as an array. So that's why array means storing a more than one value is called an array. Storing a more than one value inside a variable, it is called an array. Got it? So that is called the array method. The next major topic will come date method. Same h2 the date method. So what is the date method? You everybody seen the date method. Uh, who will give? So browser only by default it will give the current system date. If you just go for the console and search for the date, open close brace, hit enter, it is going to give you the use the current system date. Got it? So this is the May 14th current system date it will give. Got it? So this is the current system date. Okay. So then I want to do same thing in the my coding HTML5. So I want to get the date constant d equals to new date open close brace. Okay, so now d is containing a current system date and okay, I want to print here document dot write of d. So what it will print? It will print the today's date. See here, Tuesday, May 14, 2020. So this is the today's date. Okay. So uh, this is how it is going to be with the today's date. Okay. So I think today we are going to be stop this session. See, this Saturday